Meteorologist Matthew East here with you. This is the February 15th edition of the Carolina Weather Video here, and we do have another system pulling on through our region today. This one not really the most classic type of setup to get us wintry precip, but it does look like many of us could see a snow and rain mixture this morning, weighted more toward the snow side of things up into the foothills and on into the mountains. Here's a look at the News 14 Carolina Interactive Radar this morning, and again, that's available on our website, news14.com. A lot of neat tools on this radar. You can check it out. But there you go, this band of precipitation moving in from west-east, and we're going to see that continue to advance on in, and what we'll see is probably for the Charlotte and the Triad zones, most of the precip will be this morning, and a lot of it probably completely out of here by lunchtime or at the latest early afternoon, and it'll continue advancing east from there. Now, we'll say for the I-85 corridor points north and west, could see some snowflakes mixing in, but it just does not look like a good setup for any accumulating snow once you get outside of the foothills and the mountains. Powerful upper-level disturbance, though. You look at the water vapor imagery here, and just really powerhouse upper-level low advancing on in. And if that track were, say, 100 miles farther south, a lot of us would be in business for some accumulating snow. But as it is, it's really a cold front moving in, and we have some southwest winds ahead of it. And that's just not a terribly good setup to get accumulating snows around our neck of the woods. Temperatures this morning, one thing I want to show you on this map is yet another big blast of cold air surging down, and we are in this pattern of cold air, and I think we're going to remain in it for quite a while. We've been in it for a while, we're going to stay in it for a while. So the system in and out today in terms of precip, and then it'll get very cold tonight, down into the 20s, and tomorrow will be a day where we struggle to make it up toward the lower 40s. It'll be a breezy day, and a lot of cold air. We've really sort of lost touch with the averages, so to speak, in terms of our average temperatures. Really, we've been in the cold air so long, you get days in the 40s, that actually feels not too bad. But you got to keep in mind, our average high now this time of year up into the 50s. So we've sort of lost touch with those averages. Let's go out to Wednesday, another chilly day. Low 40s for most of our highs, and a lot of sunshine, breezy conditions. Thursday, still chilly, mid-40s for most of us, maybe some upper 40s, maybe a couple of low 50s Friday in some spots. And notice we'll stay quiet after the system today. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday look like quiet weather days. Now, the GFS here brings in some very light precipitation Saturday, and there's some agreement in some of the other modeling with that. I don't have enough confidence in it to really get too excited about any precip chances yet. For my forecast on air this morning, I brought in a lot of clouds Saturday, Sunday, and Monday at times, but I haven't really honed in on any specific day for precip chances. All right, I want to show you this. European on the left, GFS on the right, average of the 168 to 240 hour 500 millibar chart, upper air chart here. The upper air pattern is what we're looking at. And GFS shows a little bit of a different scenario than the European, and really both are indicative of still some cold air around the eastern part of the country, and both models certainly indicating an active southern branch of the jet stream. The European setup looks a little better for getting winter weather around here, and I certainly don't think we are finished with winter just yet. We probably have not had our last winter weather opportunity across the region. In fact, there's the GFS all the way out the 24th, next system moving through. Go all the way out to March 1st. Another system off to our south with some cold air around, so we probably have not seen our last opportunity somewhere around the region for wintry precipitation, the pattern persisting. All right, that's it for today's edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day, and God bless.